Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to tell you about how to do filtering or how to use filter in monday.com. So if you want to use a filter on monday.com, which is very useful, I can say that when you want a specific information, you just need to follow this video and you'll be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you have to log into monday.com and you will be redirected to the home page. I can see right here there are many boards that I'm working on. So I can open any board out of the one that I like. For example, I'm going to open this, and here I have some sub items, you can say. And if I want to use a filter right here to find out any specific information that I'm looking for, I'm going to click here. Let's click on the advanced filter, and here I'll go down sub items. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to sub item, I'm going to filter the sub item through owner, and I want the owner to be Bondu Khan. And here you can see that I have two projects that are given to Bondu Khan, and the filter showed it right here. Moving on, if I want to delete this filter, I can click here. And if I want the sub items to be filtered through the statuses, then I'm going to click here. And here you can see I have two projects that have this status and it filtered right away. So this is the way you can use filter on monday.com. So thank you for watching this video. I'll be back with some new videos.